So I need to get my nails done. I need to get my brows done. I need to get a wax. So I figured let's just bring you guys along. I need to brush my teeth. I need to find something to wear. Maybe these white sweatpants. I need some kind of like sports bra for when I take off my shirt to get my wax. Yeah. I think this is the shirt I'm gonna wear. I don't know, something very casual. I need this under my hair. We're gonna do the claw clip just because I've been wearing a ponytail for the past few days. I'm gonna do a middle part, but like not a big middle part, just a little bit. I'm gonna put some edge control right in that so that part will stay open. Okay, I think I want to just do the ponytail now. I'll put some edge control because this is the end of my bang, so we gotta make sure she's in there. Take the rat tail, just comb it in. Because unfortunately my bang doesn't make it to the ponytail. It'll be alright though. No edges, no nothing. So this lady can see my face and get these brows right, okay? No mistakes. But I kind of still see that little cut that she was talking about right here. So I don't know what she's gonna do because like I've been trying to let it grow out, but I'm just gonna put a little oil on my ponytail. Put those ends. As far as accessories go, we're going back in with the wands just because I was gonna do the red, black, and white ones, but clearly your girl not wearing red, black, and white or any variation. And I don't want red, black, and white shoes right by these white pants, so I'm gonna wear those. And we're gonna wear these shades. I brought the banana clip just in case I partake in that activity. And also, so we're going for like the neutral vibe. Love it. Okay, I got my bedroom shoes on, but you get the point. We'll be suited and booted by the time we gotta go. I know that. I need to take these strips out my mouth, and I also need to make some coffee. Coffee. If you guys don't know, I am a Starbucks iced coffee girl with a caramel macchiato creamer. Sweet enough. All right, we're all good to go. All right, I might not take that phone today. I might just take this. All right, so yeah, this is the fit for today. I had to go run a few errands, handle some business, and now I'm hungry. And I just parked in this parking garage. Y'all know they be having like the park mobile app stuff. So I just parked, and that shit was $8 for 2 hours. I had to go to Chase though, so I had to go. And I have until 3 to take this stuff back. So I'm like, I should probably eat and waste up the hour because that's a lot of money, okay? So I'm gonna find me something to eat around here. Hi.
What's the food?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like all over. It's very diverse. We have handles, which we call our burgers. We have salads. We have like Korean bio ones, which I really like. Some buffalo chicken dip.
Oh, okay. So like a pub.
Yeah.
Got it. Well, thank you. We're gonna go around here.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
You being extra with all that camera stuff.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I gotta show the people. This is such a weird angle. Like, it's so dark over here. But I like being alone. And plus, when I'm filming, I don't be want folks being all in my face. Don't ask me no questions. Alright. I don't know what I'm gonna get though. Do you have something you recommend? This is my first time here.
I recommend getting what your stomach thinks looks good, because I think one time I ordered a burger, but 9 out of 10, I go for the salad every time.
They have good salads here.
It's in my top 3 salads.
Top 3?
In mine, yeah.
Okay.
That's my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Everybody ain't like
Hey, that's all I asked for.
I ate that salad. I said, oh,
Yo,
feelings.
right.
It's satisfying. Give me energy. Flatbreads is flatbreads. Oh, either way.
I'm gonna do the salad. I'm gonna do the fried chicken cob and no blue cheese, ranch.
That's it?
Yep.
That is drink?
Yes, I do. Do you make a good mojito here?
You want a flavor or just regular?
Regular. All right, thank you.
You want a flash ID real quick?
Yes.
It was a big interview.
Interview pool, yeah.
Yeah. So he was like,
all right, y'all, it's time to go get these nails done. What is up, y'all? It is Saturday. It's time to go get this wax. It's time to go get this wax, y'all. I mean, it's not too bad. It's only like a month and some change. But I'm gonna go to the place that I went to last time. I don't know if you guys watch my other vlogs, but I went to a place that does threading and waxes, but like sugar waxing. And it was really, really nice, to be honest with you. So, like, it really wasn't painful. So I'm gonna go back. So I decided to put on this just turtleneck so I don't have to take off a shirt, because of course I have to take off my bottoms. So I put on these like linen ones so it's nice and quick. I'm not sure if I showed you guys my nails, but let me give you a close up. All right, I made it to the threading salon. That's literally what it's called, threading salon. And I'm gonna get a wax and threading. Y'all, I'm so pissed off. I'm so pissed off. Like, I will never go back to this place. I need to go back to that old footage and look at who the woman was who actually did my brows and my wax, because their service is so inconsistent. I'm disgusted. This is in Douglasville. This is the threading salon over here by Wingstop, T-Mobile, and the vitamin shop. Yeah, absolutely not. Absolutely not. The inconsistent. I could not tip her a dime. I don't like my brows. And then she kept blaming it on my skin. She's just like, you got such loose skin. Get this shit out of my brows. I'm disgusted. Like, y'all. She just threw some cream on my vagina. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so pissed. I'm gonna have to call you back. Friend, I just put an Aztec clay mask on my straight hair, so that's why it's looking like this. And I'm about to hop in the shower, but I'm gonna go in with this chlorine shampoo. This smells just like a mojito, so I love using this, and it is a clarifying shampoo. But first, I have to unclog my drain because it's very clogged right now. I don't know if you want to see that. I was gonna show you, but I mean, I gotta show you. I'm gonna show you how I take it off. I got my drill. I really could use a screwdriver, but the drill was up here, so we're gonna use the drill. And what's so crazy about this, y'all, I honestly feel like I just cleaned this. Like, I just unscrewed and did this, but when I turn that water on, it really is like, I don't know, it just keeps filling up. So we gotta try to see what's going on. Yeah, that looks disgusting. Okay, well, I'm boiling hot water right now, so I'm gonna use that, but I need baking soda Because I seen the TikTok hack and I'm ready for that. I don't know. We gotta see, friend. I don't know. We gotta get that out. Oil and hot water. Right? Get that in there. That's gonna have to do. Put you in there. I don't know. Okay, then I put some apple cider vinegar in there and I did that. I am about to go get some regular vinegar though because I'm not using up my ACV. Just can't do it. Not today. Oh, it's coming. The curls are back. The curls are back. So that's a good thing. That's always a good thing, right? Even though I'm about to travel, so your girl really need to be thinking about protective styles. And I haven't, so kind of dreading that because I don't really want to do it. So I'm like, should I make an appointment? Oh, that was my dryer. I'm like, what the is that? Anyway, I was supposed to be continuing to dry my hair so I can go ahead and like stretch it. I don't need to sit under this for too long. I feel like it's gonna stay in this side part. I hope it stay in this side part, but girl, I don't know. Sometimes it just automatically turn into a fro with a bang, but I'm gonna try to see if we can keep it to the side today. But I wanna go ahead and like stretch my hair out before we get into that. I need to go get my blow dryer. So I'm gonna just shake my hair down. Oh, it's so dry. Great, great. Because yesterday it was not. This is not that bad for me, just like not even, you know, stretching it. It's looking pretty good, actually. How funky is this? Okay, so this is the hair. Look at how healthy and beautiful my hair looks. Go figure. Anyway, so I am hungry. I need to order Instacart. I haven't ordered Instacart yet, but I was also trying to dance and then my phone almost died. I'm doing like 90 things at one time, but I love it here. So this is what the floor of my closet looks like. So I don't know if you guys know how I roll. So the first thing we do is we kind of figure out which clothes are clean, which clothes are dirty. So let's just get started. I'm gonna go ahead and just put the things that are clean on a hanger. Normally I'll take it out there and do it, but I think I just want to go ahead and throw them on the hanger and go ahead and put it back up. So let's get to it.
Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line, we some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own group. Coming at the same time, yeah. You don't got a dime for us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, yeah. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom, bedroom. I'm a main squeeze, don't get it twisted. There's a problem, we gonna fix it. This ain't the type of thing you lose, so let's keep on doing what we do. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the